I'm Queen Dolphin.
I'm Fudge Girl.
And I am Jacques Yatsu.
We are students from Forest Hill Senior Elementary School. This short video will explain the secret code of the Treble Clef.
Come learn with us.
What are line notes? Line notes are notes on a line.
Duh.
We already knew that. Tell us something we don't know.
Sorry. Well, did you know there are secret codes for line notes and space notes too? Space notes are notes in between the lines.
Well, we didn't know that.
Let me explain the secret codes. Okay, the starting letters of the line notes are E, G, B, D, and F, which is hard to remember, but with the secret code, it's easy. Every good boy deserves fudge.
Wow. Have you been a good boy today?
Yes, I have.
Here's a nice big piece of fudge.
Thank you.
Now for the space notes.
Aren't they just notes in between the lines?
Correct, but there's a secret code to help you remember that. Face, which rhymes with space. Easy to remember, right?
I guess so.
Now for the recap. Every good boy deserves fudge is for the line notes. And for the space notes, it's face because it rhymes with space. Do you get it?
Yep. Crystal clear.
If this doesn't work, listen to the song.
Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.
Do you want to learn the notes on the treble clef? You just have to remember 2 easy codes. One for the lines and one for the spaces. Use the musical alphabet to remember the notes on the line. Just think of every good boy deserves fudge. Even if you don't